Although building a company has never been easier, it is still very difficult to sell products globally. A16z explains why merchant of record programs might be the solution. As part of the effort to figure out what language models do when pre-training, you can set up synthetic data tasks to test various skills and then curate datasets that contain data that helps inform those skills. If you train on 1 billion tokens, you can get the same performance as training on 3 billion tokens with a properly curated dataset. Stack Overflow is integrating generative AI features into its platforms to enhance search capabilities and aid developers. OverflowAI will launch in alpha in August. The tools include a Visual Studio Code extension and Slack integration. Google's conversational AI, Bard, now has the capability to process visual inputs in addition to text, creating new possibilities for multimodal generative models. However, this study across 13 diverse visual scenarios reveals that Bard struggles with visual understanding, showing considerable room for improvement in future development of AI models. Transformers used to see, transformers used to plan, and transformers used to control? It seems like transformers are continuing to eat the world with this next iteration of robotics efforts from Google that use the powerful pre-trained models to improve various aspects of the robot's performance. The Thinker algorithm introduces a unique method allowing artificial intelligence to independently interact with and learn from a simulated environment, improving their ability to make strategic plans. Tested in the game of Sokoban and Atari 2600 benchmark, the algorithm displays top-tier performance, offering a new approach for reinforcement learning in AI and revolutionizing how planning is integrated into the decision-making process. A Rust, Python, and gRPC server for text generation inference. Used in production at Hugging Face to power Hugging Chat, the Inference API, and Inference Endpoint. Recently changed license to no longer be commercially usable. The study introduces Vox2Vec, an innovative approach that uses self-supervised learning to better understand medical imagery like CT scans on a voxel, 3D pixel, level. The results show that Vox2Vec excels compared to other techniques in the field, offering a more efficient solution that requires fewer trainable parameters. A report by McKinsey on how AI will fuel work in certain occupations and erode growth in others. Teachers who want to stem the tide of AI cheating will have to look somewhere besides AI writing detectors, as it is clear at this point that detectors are not effective. Tomas Tungus explains why, even though AI will automate some data work, it will also demand much more from data teams. An AI personal assistant for your digital brain. AI logo art transforms your logos into stunning art with AI. Together Compute, which recently raised $20 million, has fine-tuned Llama 2 with a linear extension on the positional embeddings to work up to 32K tokens in context. They tested on a number of interesting benchmarks, but cautioned that forgetting the middle is still very much a problem in modern-day language models.